Hi aspirants, welcome to VISHNU IAS Academy. April 5th every year is celebrated as National Maritime Day. So what is the importance of this day? This day is celebrated to show the role of maritime trade in the development of Indian economy. So today we here analyze the past, present and future of the maritime trade that we had for years in India and the present situation of the maritime trade in India, and also we will be looking at the future vision of the maritime trade. When we come to the past, maritime trade is not something very new to Indian history. It is like from Rigvedic times there was a mention of Indian ships that are trading with Western Asia, and also it is also said that the noteworthy empires such as Cholan Empire, Mauryan and Gangaridai, these empires have a very good maritime trade history. And when we come to the present situation, we have 13 major ports and 200 non-major ports. This shows how big maritime trade plays a role in the Indian economy. And also when we come to the largest port, Jawaharlal Nehru Port is the largest public sector port in India, while Mundra Port is the private sector port that is largest in India. So when we see the present situation, there it goes. Next, when we come to the future, whenever we analyze a topic, we see the future prospects of the trade. Maritime trade plays a major role in the future as well. We have Maritime India Vision 2030. What this vision is all about. It has brought up 150 initiatives which are in sync with the development of the maritime trade in India. How these 150 initiatives are taken? They have taken 350 stakeholders, stakeholders in the sense major port undertakings and also the private sector undertakings who are involved in the process of development of ports and maritime trade in India. We have taken 350 stakeholders into consideration and we have come up with 150 initiatives to boost the maritime trade in India. That is a Maritime India Vision 2030. So here we are celebrating National Maritime Day on April 5th. This is a small snippet that is related to it. For more information, stay tuned to VISHNU IAS Academy. If you have any doubts, please mention it in the comments. We are more than happy to help you.